So it took the former CONCACAF president, Mr. Austin Jack Warner, to come out of hiding and reinforce what the Maverick been saying. That not only is Jamaican football lacking leadership, but Caribbean football generally is like a headless chicken. Warner spoke specifically to the changes to the World Cup qualifying process for CONCACAF, which he implied will basically protect the big teams in the region from upsets and non-qualification like what happened to the USA for the last World Cup. Jack also intimated that when the Caribbean territories, including Jamaica, voted against the Caribbean candidate and voted for the North American candidate for the CONCACAF presidency, it was tantamount to selling out to the big boys of CONCACAF. Again, aligning with what I've been saying, that the Caribbean as a group basically gave up the leverage we had in terms of numbers by not sticking together and voting together. And that we're heading right back to the days when Mexico and the USA control CONCACAF football and squeeze out the smaller nations like Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean teams. Now, when the Mavericks say these things, people say me this and me that. Well, me might this and me might that. But I understand the politics of football, and so does Jack Warner. Big up yourself, Jack Warner. Anyway, you're there. All you do, my boss. Don't leave Trinidad.